Okay, so welcome back, and let's do a couple more examples. We're going to find the absolute value of both of these. So again, what we're going to do is apply the formula, the distance formula, from the origin. Okay, so again, this is your A, and then here B is -1. Okay, so again, we're going to take the absolute value of this. So let's call this Z, right? So this would be the absolute value of Z is equal to the square root of A squared plus B squared, which A in this case is square root of 5, plus B in this case is -1 squared. And so this gives us the square root, the square of square root of 5 is 5. And then -1 squared is 1. And so this gives us the square root of 6. And so there's the absolute value of the complex number, square root of 5 minus I. Okay, also let's do this one here. So this one we can also do the same thing. So the absolute value, let's call this C. So the absolute value of C, or the magnitude of C, is given by the formula, again, 3 squared plus -4 squared. Okay? And so this is going to give us the square root of 9 plus 16, which gives us the square root of 25, which gives us a value of 5. So in this case, it gives us a whole number, okay, an integer. And so those are the answers, right? So that's how you find the magnitude or the absolute value of a complex number. Now, also, it's interesting to note that, remember what I said in the last video, both of these numbers represent the distance a complex number is from the origin. Now compare that to when we talk about the real number line. When we talk about the distance a point is from the real number line, it's the absolute value of a number is the distance it is from 0, right? Whereas when we talk about the a complex number, it's the distance, the absolute value represents the distance it is from the origin, 0, 0. Okay? Now, in general, when we use the distance formula, even on the real number, on the Cartesian plane, the xy plane, also remember tells us the distance it is from the 0, if that's what we're measuring. Okay, so this formula also works in the real plane, but again, we're just focusing on the complex number in the complex plane right now. But anyway, I just wanted to mention that. Okay, so that's it. Have a great day.